Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Select connection and sharing. Go down. Select reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So here you can see this operation would reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Tap on OK. Done. Network settings have been reset. After this reset operation, we can check Wi-Fi connection and internet. That should work. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network, mobile data and internet related issues. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.